Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 12 and 13. Greed, activity, undertaking of actions, restlessness, longing, these arise when Rajas is predominant, O best in the Bharat family.
Chapter 14, Shloka 12. Lobha pravritir arambha karmanam ashamaspruha rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharadarshaba.
Darkness, inertness, heedlessness, and delusion, these arise when tamas is predominant, O descendant of Kuru.
Chapter 14, Shloka 13. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha evacha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana.
Chapter 14, Shloka 12 and 13. The characteristic marks that indicate the predominance of Rajas are described now. Greed, activity, undertaking of actions, restlessness, longing. These are the thoughts and motives which rise up in a mind in which Rajas predominates. Greed is the inexhaustible desire to appropriate the property of another, which never comes to an end, but grows more with each satisfaction. Enterprise indicates all activities motivated by extreme egoism to fulfill selfish desires. Restlessness is a symptom of a Rajasic personality, because of which an individual fails to enjoy quietude. He has endless longings for things not yet accomplished, for objects not yet acquired, and profits not yet gained. He sweats and toils in the outer fields with a heart poisoned by Rajas. When such an individual works in society, his sorrows do not rest with himself. They overflow to affect many around him. Shloka 13. When tamas predominates, symptoms like dullness, inertness, heedlessness, and delusion are prominent in an individual. Dullness is that condition of the intellect where it is incapable of arriving at any decision. The potentialities of one's intelligence get veiled, and to discriminate between the right and the wrong become impossible. Like when sleep conquers our nature at night. Inaction or idleness is the tendency to escape all responsibilities, a lack of interest to strive for and achieve anything in the world. When tamas predominates, energy is dormant, capacity is gone, and thereafter Eating and sleeping alone become the individual's main occupations in life. He becomes heedless of the higher calls within. He makes mistakes in determining his relationship with the world around. His life becomes an error, his very existence a sad mistake. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.